Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I want to tell you about a couple of the new features that Asana is coming out with that I just saw in this project that I created. So as I created this new workspace actually, because I'm in a mastermind group and I wanted to keep track of what everyone is doing and what I'm doing in our monthly meetings and all that other stuff. And as I was creating these sections, I noticed that that the sections have down arrows, and the entire section gets highlighted when I hover over the section. Also, you can minimize and maximize the sections as well, and I thought that was pretty neat. And I can rename the section, and I guess I can delete it at some point. I'm not sure why this one doesn't say I can. What does it say? Please remove all. Oh, okay. So I have to remove all the task before I can even delete the section. Something else that I noticed is, well, one of the things that everyone has been complaining about in Asana is that you can't switch from list view to board view. And look at this right here. List view and now board view. I can now switch between the list view and the board view. How cool is that? That is something that I have been waiting for a long time. I actually have a couple videos out there that shows how to work around this, but now it looks like those videos will be irrelevant, which is really awesome because this is what people really want. And I think that is very cool that they're finally able to do that. I really like this feature too, where you can minimize and maximize the sections. So I just wanted to make this quick video because I thought this was interesting and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So if you enjoyed it, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe if you would like to see more of my Asana tips videos or any other videos that I come up with.